It's okay. It's
So
okay.
how was your day?
My day is going well, good. What about you?
Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Oh, yeah, Bangladesh is pretty close to India,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Bangladesh is very nice and peaceful country. Yeah.
So you know Bangladesh. I appreciate you. Share. Thank you.
Oh yes, 谢谢 means thank you. Yeah,
China.
mm, yeah, I'm from China and I'm currently living in Shenzhen city. Yeah, so have you
Shenzhen.
been to
Okay,
China
okay.
before?
Shenzhen.
Uh-huh.
I know Shenzhen.
Oh, you know Shenzhen?
Yeah,
Have you been
actually,
there?
no. I never been to there, but Beijing and Shanghai is more famous than
Oh
Shenzhen.
yeah.
Yeah,
Beijing and Shanghai is very.
famous. What is your name? Young
My Chinese name is Yong. My English name
Yong.
is Chandler. Yeah. So how about you? What's your name?
My name is Pothik.
Pothik,
Yeah,
right?
correct.
What's your mother language in your country?
My mother language is Bangla.
Oh, Mangla. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I
we
see.
generally
So,
speak Bengali language, which is my mother tongue, my first language, Bangla.
I think you are pretty young because you look so younger and yeah.
Yeah, because my face is slim.
So are you?
My
Yeah,
face
yeah.
is
So
slim.
are you still in? Yeah.
What about you? You are
Okay.
doing job or studying? You are working.
Yes, and you know, 2 years ago I graduated from the university. For now, I'm currently working in the Hong Kong University as a RAP for almost 2 years. So yeah,
Oh, you are working
mm,
at university?
yeah, I'm currently working in the Hong Kong University.
Hong
Yeah,
Kong. Okay.
so
Hong Kong University?
yeah, Hong Kong University. It's not the Hong Kong University. Do you know the Hong Kong Polytechnic University? So I'm working in PolyU as a RAP, Research Assistant Professor. Yeah.
Okay. Computer and something
Oh
functions.
yeah. So you know, in our lab, yeah, and I think there are some members from the India, So I find it a little bit hard for me to communicate with them because you know, my English speaking and listening are not so good. You know, when I was in the high school, in the university, I always focused on my writing, my reading, yeah, and the grammar. Yeah,
Chinese people usually study in academic sector as a writing and reading, but they are not good at speaking. I know, as far as I know.
have you been to Hong Kong before?
No, I never been China as well as Hong Kong, but I will go and try kung pao chicken and hot pot. Okay, thank you so much
Bye bye.
for giving your valuable time.
Bye bye. See you next time. Bye bye.